Start paint manufacturing industry, enamel, emulsion, primer or synthetic rubber paint. Explore the vibrant realm of the paint industry. We offer everything, from primer to synthetic rubber paint, from enamel to emulsion. Join us as we explore the beauty of color and shade. Don't pass up this unique business plan. Introduction to the paint industry. The products produced by the paint business are diverse and include primer, enamel, emulsion, and synthetic rubber paint. There is a great need for protective and decorative coatings, therefore businesses wishing to enter this profitable market will find plenty of chances in this growing area. Why entrepreneurs should start a paint business? A paint business can be a wise choice for an entrepreneur because paint is always needed in the industrial, automotive, and construction industries. The paint industry presents steady growth prospects and the possibility of sizable profits as urbanization and infrastructure development increase. Machinery details for paint manufacturing. A variety of equipment, such as grinders, filling machines, mixers, and dispersers, are required to start a paint manufacturing facility. These devices are essential to the efficient production of high-quality paints that satisfy industry requirements and are consistent. Total cost estimate for a paint manufacturing plant. A paint manufacturing plant's overall cost estimate takes into account various expenses related to manpower, raw materials, machinery, and facilities. In order to manage your resources efficiently and prevent financial surprises, you must develop a thorough budget plan. Rate of return and break-even point. Determining the break-even point and rate of return is essential to determining how profitable your paint manufacturing business will be. This information aids business owners in understanding when to anticipate turning a profit as well as the long-term performance of their enterprise. Government overview and regulations. Government rules pertaining to safety, environmental effect, and quality requirements are applicable to the paint sector. In order to conduct business successfully and morally, entrepreneurs need to become familiar with these rules and make sure they are being followed. Governments frequently impose regulations on the paint business to guarantee consumer safety and environmental preservation. To reduce the impact on the environment, regulations may include limitations on the amount of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, in paints, labeling specifications, and disposal procedures. India and global market outlook. India's paint business is expanding significantly due to growing disposable incomes and infrastructural development. The paint industry is growing internationally, offering prospects for partnerships and exports into developing nations. Upcoming future prospects in the paint industry. The paint business has a bright future because of advancements in high-performance, environmentally friendly coatings. For long-term success, entrepreneurs can capitalize on new trends including eco-friendly paints, intelligent coatings, and developments in nanotechnology. The paint industry, which includes enamel, emulsion, priming, and synthetic rubber paints, contributes significantly to global building and design, protects surfaces, and enhances aesthetics. The global market and India have encouraging growth potential due to a number of variables, such as environmental concerns and economic development. This concludes our thorough overview of the paint industry, which includes sections on primer, emulsion, enamel, and synthetic rubber paint. We really hope that this video has been educational and motivating for your upcoming painting endeavor. Please leave a comment below if you have any queries or would like to share your painting experiences. As usual, remember to subscribe, like, and share this material to see more amazing stuff. Till we see you in the next video, happy painting.